Bitcoin just smashed through to a new all-time high, but the celebration was cut short. Now the market is at a critical crossroads. Are the bulls just catching their breath before the next launch, or are the bears about to take control? Let's break down what the charts are telling us. The overall sentiment right now is a dramatic split. It's a classic showdown between bullish optimism and bearish caution, and both sides have a strong case. First, let's look at the bullish argument. The momentum has been incredibly strong, culminating in that new record high near $118,000. Some analysis suggests that the old resistance level around $116,000 has now flipped into a new solid floor of support. If the price can successfully defend this level, it could build a launchpad for the next leg up. Optimistic targets are being set for $120,000 and even $125,000 as the next major milestone. However, the bears are making their presence felt. The price is clearly struggling to overcome a heavy resistance zone right around $118,000 to $118,500. We're seeing signs of exhaustion and rejection at this level. On the daily chart, a doji candle has appeared, a classic sign of indecision that can sometimes precede a price drop after a strong rally. The strongest argument for a short-term pullback is a CME gap that has formed between $114,100 and $115,500. For traders, these gaps often act like magnets, and there's a high probability the price will drop to fill this void. Many are seeing this as a clear signal for a sell-off, with take-profit targets set progressively lower, heading towards that gap. So let's summarize the key takeaways. The market is caught in a battle. A key selling point is the heavy resistance at the $118,000 mark where the price is currently stalling. A key buying point, or at least the first line of defense for bulls, is the support level at $116,000. If that support fails, watch for a potential drop towards the $115,000 region to fill that magnetic price gap. The market is balanced on a knife's edge. The long-term trend remains strong, but the short-term signals are flashing caution. The next few moves will be crucial in revealing whether Bitcoin is consolidating for another launch or if we're in for a significant pullback. Stay sharp.